In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partner with TradingView. If you're looking to earn commissions by recommending a charting and market analysis platform that traders already love, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get started and begin sharing your unique referral link with your audience. First, head to the TradingView partner or affiliate program page on TradingView.com. You can get there by typing the address directly into your browser or by searching for the TradingView affiliate program. On that page, take a moment to read the overview. You'll see what the program offers, who it's designed for, and the basics of how referrals work. It's worth scanning the terms and conditions, eligibility details, and any notes on commission structure so you know what to expect. Understanding things like how referrals are tracked and when payouts occur helps you set realistic goals and stay compliant with program rules from day one. Next, sign up and create your affiliate or referral link. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll provide standard account information and confirm a few details about how you plan to promote TradingView. Once approved, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can generate your unique link. Copy that link and keep it handy. It's the key to ensuring that anyone who subscribes through your recommendation is credited to you. Some programs let you choose different landing pages or promotional assets to match your audience's interests. If that's available, pick the ones that best align with the content you already create. Finally, share your link across the channels you already use. On your website or blog, place it where visitors naturally look for tools and recommendations. Think resources pages, popular tutorials, or relevant posts. Add a clear call to action that explains the benefit to the reader, like accessing advanced charts or community ideas. On social media, pair the link with short, helpful insights, such as a tip about using watch lists or alerts, so the post feels valuable. In your newsletter, include a short blurb describing why you personally use TradingView, and consider featuring it in a regular tools section so subscribers see it consistently. If you make videos or podcasts, mention the link and include it in the description. Always disclose that it's an affiliate link to stay transparent and build trust with your audience. Keep your messaging helpful, avoid spammy tactics, and focus on how TradingView genuinely solves problems for your community. That's it. Visit the program page, sign up to generate your link, and share it thoughtfully wherever you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? Open TradingView.com and begin your partnership today.